Good morning, children. Welcome back. Again, we are here with Learning HTML Part 6, and in this class, we are going to learn about the list in HTML. And this is Santosh Kumar Bhardwaj, and we are going to begin directly with the list in HTML. So, list in HTML support several elements for marking lists, and they can be divided into two types of list. One is your glossary list, and other is your regular list. Glossary lists are denoted by the element DL, that means description list, while regular lists are denoted by the elements like UL stand for unordered list, OL stand for order list, menu, and DIR stand for directory list. A list can be nested also, means one list can come inside another list. That kind of list is called your nested list. Fine. So in that case, types of lists, we are going to have first one is your unordered list, and we are writing UL as an unordered list. So this list, also known as unnumbered list, is an indent list with a bulleted sign in front of each listed item or list item. An unordered list start with UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag, that is one compulsory tag which you have to use after unordered list. And here the listed items are marked with a bulleted, typically small black circles. Fine. So the unordered list is a container tag. The default bullet type for most web browser is full disk black circle, but this can be adjusted using an HTML attribute called type. So here in case of your unordered list, we have got one attribute, single attribute, that is your type. Let's see what type defines. Unordered list, attributes of unordered list, that is your UL. So type, this attribute is used to change the bulleted symbol in a list. The attribute may have a value of circle, disk, or square. You can use circle, or you can use disk, or you can use square. Fine. So syntax is here UL, and then type is equal to value. So in this value you can write either circle or disk or a square. So how it's going to visible, just see over here. So HTML unordered list type value, like this square is coming. Square use black square bullet, and then disk use solid circle bullet, and circle use a hollow bullet. So this was the attribute of your unordered list. Next is your order list. So this list is also known as number list. Fine. And this list is start with an OL tag. OL tag is also a container tag, means order list is also a container tag, and each item, listed item, start with LI. Here also you are going to start with LI, means after order list you have to use LI tag, that is your listed items are marked with the numbers. Means we don't need to write 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will simply write LI and things will be done. Fine. So by default the numbering will be 1 2 3, and you can also adjust the numbering using type attributes. Here also you find there are two attributes of your order list. One is your type and other is your start. So let's see what is type attribute. So attributes of order list, here type. The numbering of an HTML list can be changed to letter or Roman numbers by its type attributes. So syntax is here, OL type is equal to value. So HTML order list type value, what all different types of values you can use as a number, just see here. First, the default uses Arabic numbers. Second, this you can see uses uppercase Roman numeral. This way you can give listing. Third is uses lowercase Roman numerals. Then you can use uppercase letters A. Then you can also use use lowercase letters, means 1, then numeric Roman numeral in uppercase, Roman numeral in small case, then capital A, then small a. These are the 5 different ways through which you can give ordering to your number. Next attribute is your start attributes. This attribute is used to change the beginning value of an order list. Now you don't want to start with 1 2 3. You want to start with the 3 4 5 6. Means your numbering should start with 3 4 5 6. So this start will define from where you wanted to start your numbering list. Fine. So normally the order list begins with 1. It lets you future customize an HTML order list by setting a new starting digit for the order listed element. So here OL type value, means here in the type you are going to write A and value from where you want to start. Like example is given, OL type A start 3. So here the list will begin with C. means type is A and we want to start from third alphabet. Start 3 means it will start from C. It's going to start from C using upper letter. So here is one example. Subject in class 10th, and you see here I have used number list and order list and unordered list. So also we can say this is nested list, an example of your nested list. So we have begun with English, then Hindi and Sanskrit, then maths, then fourth science. Under science, physics, chemistry, bio is there, then social science, history, civic, geography is there. You see here this variation in the unordered list. This is your circle, you can say this is square, and then computer application are the subjects. So let us write the code for this particular web page. So how to begin? Again, very first tag will be your HTML tag, then followed by your head tag and title. In the title I have written list in the HTML, and then title tag is closed, and then head tag is closed. Then begin with your body tag. You will see the background color was red and text cyan I have given. Let's see. Fine. Then center tag is been used, then BR tag, and at the center what was there? Subjects in class 10 that we have mentioned. Fine. And I have used here heading tag also. As I told you, we are going to learn new things and the previous things we are going to repeat. So here I have used H1 as a heading tag, and I have closed this heading tag, and immediately center tag is also be closed because the rest of the things are coming left align. Fine. Now 1 2 3 means order list. So we'll begin with order list and start 1. OL type 1 start 1 means it is 1, type is 1, numeric value, and it's going to start with 1. What was there in the first? English. So we have to write only LI and then English. LI listed item, and it's going to come 1 2 3 automatically. English will come. Then next was your Hindi. Again LI, Hindi and Sanskrit. Here there is no need of giving BR tag. Break is not required. Automatically it will jump to the next line. Third one was your maths, and fourth one again LI with science. Now here you see 1 2 3 4 will be the output. You can see here after typing, you can just save your file. You can see here 1 2 3 4 will come. Fine. There is no need of writing your entire HTML and seeing the output one after another. You can see without closing, means without finishing your HTML page also. Fine. Now after that, you have seen in the output there was unordered list. So I am going to begin with the unordered list. But if you remember, I have told you the tag whose work is over, you need to close that tag immediately, otherwise impact of that will remain. But here I am not closing this OL tag. Why? Because I know after 4 there will be 5 and then 6 also. So let it be here. I'll begin with unordered list type circle. Fine. And in that LI physics, then LI chemistry, then LI biology, and then I have closed this unordered list. Why? Because physics, chemistry and bio are coming in the circle. And then what was next? Social. Social should come as a numeric value 5. Fine. So simply I'll write LI. Why? Because I have not closed the OL tag. LI social. Then again after that history, civic, geography, economics was coming in a square bracket. So again I am starting with the UL tag and type square. Sometimes square you have to write in small, somewhere it's taking in the capital also. So in my browser it was not accepting as a square in capital, so I have written in small. Fine. Then LI history, civics, LI geography, LI economics. Now UL tag over, I have closed. Then last one was our computer application, so I have written LI computer application, then I have closed the OL tag, then I have closed the body, then I have closed the HTML. And after that again same thing, you need to go and save this file by any name with .html extension, and you will see that output in the browser. When you open the browser again, you will find this will be the output on the browser window. I think it is clear to you all. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Fine. Again we will be meeting in the next class, having some more fun. Okay, so enjoy your day. Thank you very much.